The roof is one of the most important parts of any house. Once it's complete, the structure is protected from the weather and the building starts to look like a real home. Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel where we are showcasing the building of our house in Marondera, Zimbabwe. If you've ever wondered if it's possible to build a house whilst living thousands of miles away, well, that's exactly what we are doing on this project. Every stage of the project depends on trust, communication, and regular updates from my contractors. In this video, I'll show you how we completed one of the biggest milestones of the project, the entire roof installation, from sourcing the timber to installing the final IBR roofing sheets. But managing this stage remotely wasn't easy. Every payment had to be sent from abroad. Every purchase had to be verified. And every decision relied on photos, videos, and constant communication with the contractors on the ground. The first step was sourcing quality roofing timber. We wanted strong, properly treated timber that would last for many years to come. Our contractor visited suppliers, sent me videos of the available timber, and we discussed the prices before I approved the purchase. After we paid for the timber, it was then loaded and transported to the site. Now, transporting building material is another challenge that often gets overlooked. Besides the costs involved, the timber had to be carefully loaded and delivered to the construction site without damage. Now, watching these videos from thousands of kilometers away, it was both exciting and nerve-wracking because every delivery represented another investment in the project. Once the timber arrived, the carpenters started making the roof trusses right on site. Each truss had to be measured accurately and assembled to match the house design. We received daily video updates showing the progress, and it was exciting. Although I couldn't physically inspect the work, the regular communication gave me confidence that everything was being done according to plan. Seeing the trusses go up completely changed the appearance of the house. The building finally had shape and character. Every new video and picture that arrived on my phone made me realize that the dream was becoming a reality. With the timber structure now complete, it was now time to purchase the IBR roofing sheets. Now, choosing the right roofing material is important because it affects durability, appearance, and long-term maintenance. After comparing prices and quality and confirming the quantities, we bought the roofing sheets and they were delivered to the site. The installation started and it moved quickly. The team carefully fixed each sheet into position, ensuring proper alignment and secure fastening. Watching the roof slowly cover the house through photos and videos was incredibly satisfying and exciting at the same time. For months, I'd only imagined what it would look like. Now, I was finally seeing it become real. You will have to forgive me for the shaky video and the poor picture quality, as these videos were sent by our contractors. In the previous videos, people were asking whether it is possible to build a house whilst living abroad. Well, the answer is yes, but only if you have trustworthy people on the ground. Communication, research, and having the right people on the ground is the key to the success of the project. There were moments of uncertainty, delayed deliveries, price increases, and constant budgeting. But that's to be expected of any project. Every payment required planning. Every decision had to be made remotely. It's not always easy, but it can be done. Now I will do another video detailing the costs involved in this roofing stage. Spoiler alert, well, it was expensive. I guess building is not for the faint-hearted. Now this is what the roof looked like after it was finished, and boy oh boy was I excited. It came out perfect. Now we have done some other projects before, but seeing this roof complete on this project was one of the proudest moments of my life. What started as drawings and empty foundations had now become a real house taking shape. So, if you're planning on building a house, wherever you are, I hope this series gives you both inspiration and practical insight into what's involved. I'll continue sharing every stage of this building journey, from roofing to window installation, plastering, electrical work, plumbing, and any other stages that we might do to the project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you don't miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.